Hi, this is JP Presidento, and today I am going to talk about Kaizena, previously known as voice comments. Kaizena is a Google Drive app that allows teachers to leave verbal feedback on their students' work. I think Kaizena has a lot of potential to really help teachers maximize the amount of time they spend giving feedback to their students. So before we can use Kaizena, we actually have to add it to our Google Drive. So I'm going to come over here on the left side of Drive and click Create, and then come down to where it says Connect More Apps and click there. Once this search box loads up, in Search Apps, I'll type Kaizena, Kaizena. And I've already added it to my Google Drive, but for you, you should see Kaizena in parentheses voice comments, and right here where I have rate it, for you it should be a blue button that says connect. If you click connect, Kaizena will be added to your Google Drive. You may need to accept some permissions. Once Kaizena has been added to your drive, to leave a voice comment with Kaizena, you go over to the document you want to comment upon. In this case, I'm going to comment on Donald Key's personal narrative, and I will right click and then hover over Open With and click on Kaizena. And that's a slightly different process than you use when you normally open up a Google Doc. You may notice that when the Google Doc opens in Kaizena, you're actually redirected to Kaizena's webpage. Once you link Kaizena to your Google account, you also have a Kaizena account, and all of the documents that you leave comments on are stored on that account as well. So over on the left side, you'll see two things. You'll see the feedback receiver, so that's the person who is getting the feedback. That's your student. You'll also see who is the reviewer, which will be you. In some cases, there will be multiple users who can receive feedback. If that's the case and you want to leave feedback for a different person, you can come over here and click this arrow, and you'll see the avatar for everyone who can receive feedback. If you click on their avatar, that person will be receiving the feedback. So to leave feedback for our student here, as we're reading through the document, maybe I look at this second paragraph and I want to comment on the topic sentence. I'll highlight the topic sentence. Then after I highlight it, you'll notice that these three icons come up: link, text box, and microphone. These are the three different types of comments you can leave with Kaizena. You can leave a voice comment, type some text, or include a link. So I'm going to record my audio by clicking the microphone, and then when this box pops up, I will click record. You had a very good topic sentence, Donald. Although it was short, it did a good job of letting the reader know exactly what to expect in the paragraph that followed it. Then after I record the comment, I can come over here and color code it. So there are 4 different color codes, and you may want to use this if you have different categories of comments. Maybe you want to, in this case, I would break up into the organize my 6 traits of writing by color. You can delete the comment, and you can also listen to it again to make sure it's what you want to say. When I'm finished here, I'll go and click close. As I continue scrolling down the document, I can continue to leave voice comments by highlighting the text, clicking the microphone, and then clicking record. Great use of voice here, Donald. And I'll follow the same process. I can color code it and close when I'm finished. So once you're finished and you want to share your feedback with your student, there are 2 things you can do. You can either post a link in the Google document by clicking this post link in GDoc, and then a link will show up for the owner of the document to see, and it will link them to this Kaizena page so they can read or listen to your feedback. Also, you can send an email to that person. In this case, you'll see that there are multiple feedback receivers, so I would just have to type in the email address and it would go directly to the person who needs to receive the feedback. So now let's take a quick look at how this will look to our student when they want to receive feedback. So now I am on the student's Google Drive, and the student will see that the document is highlighted, meaning that someone new has edited it. They'll open the document as they normally would, and once their Google Doc is loaded, they can click on Comments, and here's the comment that Kaizena automatically left on behalf of me, the teacher. And all the student will need to do is click on the link, and the document will open in Kaizena for them. They can then click on the highlighted text to listen to the feedback. And that is a brief introduction to Kaizena. I hope this helps to maximize the time you spend leaving feedback on students' work. Have a great day.